Hello friends, this is Carlos from Caravan Cleaning Services. Today we are in Oak Park, Illinois, doing a deep cleaning for one of our clients, and we are going to be cleaning the chandelier. Very simple process. I'm going to show you how to do it here. You can do it right from home with the very simple products. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is turn off all electrical, turn off your switches, and also go to your electrical panel and turn off the switchboard. We're going to start protecting the floors and furniture using a canvas, cloth canvas, plastic, sheets, anything you can use to protect from dripping, from damaging your floors and furniture. The next thing we want to do is I like to take a picture of the style of the chandelier so we can take a look later in case we forget how to attach everything, and then start removing all your beads one by one and set them aside. Alright, now we're ready to clean the chandelier, and we're going to be using a simple solution of dish soap, white vinegar, and water inside a mixing cup, and we're going to be using different brushes that you have available to be able to get around the texture and inside all the grooves. So what you're going to do is dip your brush inside the mixing cup and then start cleaning top to bottom, going slowly and making sure that you clean everything all inside the textures and the different grooves of the chandelier. Once you're done with that, you're going to be wipe everything down and dry it using a terry cloth or microfiber towel. And be sure that as you're cleaning the chandelier, use one hand to brush and another hand to hold it in place, something I was not able to do while recording the video, but it is important for us not to break it or pull it down. Alright, now we're going to put all the beads inside the Tupperware. We're going to add the dish soap, white vinegar, and hot water. Close the lid, shake it up really well, and then leave it sitting for about 15 minutes. Then drain the water from the Tupperware using the Tupperware's lid, and then lay the beads all spread out throughout the canvas or throughout the counter, or maybe paper towels, something to get the moisture out. And then once that happens and they're fully dry, you're ready to put them right back. Now look at this beautiful chandelier. Our client was really happy. This chandelier was almost the highlight of the entire service. They could not believe how nice it came out. And it's a very simple way. It does take about 2 hours for this size chandelier, but it can be done. Do it twice a year and you'll have your rooms and home looking beautiful. Thank you for watching.